Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to manage fonts and styles in Canva properly, step by step in 2026, so your designs look clean, consistent, and professionally made every single time. Typography is one of the most important parts of any design. Even with great colors and layouts, bad font choices can instantly make a design look messy or unprofessional. Start by limiting the number of fonts you use. Two fonts are usually enough, one for headings and one for body text. Using too many fonts creates visual noise and hurts readability. Choose fonts that match your purpose. For professional designs, clean sans serif fonts work best. For creative or personal projects, you can experiment, but always prioritize clarity. Now use Canva's Styles panel. This is one of the most underrated features. Apply font combinations, color palettes, and text styles consistently across all pages with just one click. It saves time and keeps everything aligned. Pay attention to font hierarchy. Headings should be clearly larger and bolder than subheadings, and body text should remain easy to read. Consistent spacing between lines and paragraphs makes a big difference. If you work with brands or clients, brand kits are extremely helpful. Set up approved fonts, colors, and logo styles in advance. This prevents mistakes and keeps every design on brand. Another smart habit is using text styles instead of manual formatting. Once you style a heading or paragraph correctly, duplicate it instead of creating new text from scratch. This keeps everything uniform. Before exporting, do a final typography check, zoom in, and scan the design for inconsistent font sizes, spacing issues, or alignment problems. Small adjustments here can dramatically improve the final look. And that's how to manage fonts and styles in Canva properly, step by step, in 2026. If this guide helped you improve your designs, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva design tips, and I'll see you in the next one.